If you're trying to change the resolution in Gothic 1 Remake but the setting won't save, keeps reverting, or certain resolutions are missing, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to configuration file problems, display scaling settings, graphics driver issues, or the game running without proper permissions. In this video, I'll show you several solutions that can help you fix the resolution problem and get the game running at your preferred display settings. Solution 1. Restart the game and PC. Start by completely closing Gothic 1 Remake and restarting your computer. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent graphics settings from being applied correctly. After restarting, launch the game and try changing the resolution again. Solution 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the Gothic 1 Remake executable file and select Run as Administrator. Administrative permissions can help the game save graphics settings properly. Once the game launches, change the resolution and see if the setting remains after restarting the game. Solution 3. Edit the configuration file. Navigate to the game's configuration folder and locate the graphics or settings file. Open it with Notepad and manually enter your desired resolution values. Save the file and set it to read-only if the game keeps overwriting your settings. Solution 4. Disable full-screen optimizations. Right-click the game's executable file and open Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Disable full-screen optimizations and click Apply. This can resolve issues where the game fails to recognize or save display settings. Solution 5. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause resolution-related bugs and display issues. Visit the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website and install the latest driver for your graphics card. Restart your PC after the update and launch the game again. Solution 6. Verify game files. If important game files are corrupted, graphics settings may not function properly. Open Steam, right-click Gothic 1 Remake, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Allow Steam to repair any missing or damaged files. That's it. These are the most effective solutions for fixing the can't change resolution issue in Gothic 1 Remake on PC. If one of these methods worked for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Gothic 1 Remake fixes, tutorials, and PC gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.